I love winter. I love all of its coziness, all the hot chocolate, the snow, and also all the fun crochet projects you can make this season. So in this video, I'm going to share all of my favorite projects I found online and why I would make each one. First, we have these leg warmers. I love leg warmers, and although I don't have any, I think they're so cute and fit the season perfectly. All the outfits I see with leg warmers are so adorable, and paired with boots, they make an outfit look so cute. If you want to be a little extra and add a gorgeous bow, these are a perfect pattern as well. Next are hand warmers. These are so gorgeous, and they are perfect for bundling up to face the cold weather while also looking adorable. They also instantly upgrade any outfit, and they will be perfect for a beginner project because you repeat a single stitch to make it. I had to include these ones with bows as well because they were so adorable. Next, we have this hair bow. It isn't completely winter related, but in some winter colors paired with a cute dress or sweater, they would be so cute. Next is this other bow. It is smaller if you want to do a smaller hair bow, but it would also be so cute as a keychain to add to your backpack or purse. Next is this simple beanie. It is so cute to wear as a hat to stay warm, and it would be perfect for beginners who want to learn crochet, but also make something wearable. Next is this cable stitch hat. This would be more for advanced crocheters, but I think it would be such a fun project to try if you want to learn how to crochet a cable stitch. As an added bonus, it would also keep you nice and warm. Next is this simple scarf. Personally, I love scarves, and although I don't see many people wearing them, I think they're so adorable and make an outfit so much cuter, while finding a way to stay warm. Also, this would be another project that would be good for beginners. Next, this is our cable stitch scarf. It is a project that is definitely for more advanced crocheters as it utilizes cable stitches, but the result is so cute and would look adorable. For our first piece of winter clothing, I found this simple long sleeve top. I made it myself, slightly altering the pattern so it had a point at the bottom and puffy sleeves so I could turn it into a dress, and it turned out so cute. I got so many compliments on this. As an added bonus, it is really simple to make and is a perfect beginner project. Also, the tutorial explains the steps really well. Next is this old money cardigan. I think this piece looks so cute, and it would be adorable to wear out and about. However, many of the comments said the tutorial is hard to follow and understand, so I would only recommend this project if you are a seasoned crocheter. Next is this off-the-shoulder top. I cannot emphasize enough how much I would want to make this project because it is so adorable and would go good with anything. Also, I have seen similar tops in stores I've gone to, but the crocheted version of it looks so much better and so cute. Next is this baby doll top. When I was looking online for cute tops, this one immediately caught my eye. The puffy-ish sleeves combined with the flare at the bottom look so adorable, and it looks relatively simple to make. Next is this balloon sleeve sweater. I made this last year, and it was one of my favorite things I have ever made. It is so pretty. I have worn this out of the house on many occasions, and I have gotten so many compliments on it. Also, the tutorial explains the process of making it very well. The only con with this one is it takes a significant block of time to make. Next is this other off-the-shoulder top. I think this looks really cute, and this pattern would be very fun to alter a bit and turn into a sweater dress or a different kind of sweater using the stitch it already has. Finally, I found this simple cardigan. It looks really easy to construct, and it also uses a larger yarn size so it would be quicker to make. This is a project I definitely want to make in the future, and it would go cute with so many outfits. The first amigurumi, or crochet plushie, pattern that I would recommend is this cookie bear. It looks so cute and would be a perfect gift to someone or to use as a room decoration. Also, the eyes are embroidered, so it would be good for children, and you don't need to buy safety eyes for it. Next is this mini reindeer. Although it is past Christmas, reindeers are technically a wintry animal, so I think this would be a perfect project to make all throughout winter. Also, it is so cute, and it doesn't require sewing, which is another plus. Next is this mini penguin. Out of all the penguin patterns I found, this one was my favorite. Also, it looks like it requires color changes, so if you wanted to learn how to do that, this would be a good pattern for you. Next is the snowman. I think the large eyes make it look so cute, and it would be fun to make because it uses larger yarn. Also, it doesn't require sewing. I hope you guys found a pattern you like from this list. I had a lot of fun researching patterns and will be making a lot of these patterns in the future. If you guys like this video, please make sure to like and subscribe. It helps me out a lot. Thank you guys for watching, and make sure to comment below what project you are gonna make.